All right, guys, here we go. Real quick. We missed the first one. We're going to try to catch the second one when we come into that red dash line. It's pulling back. We're going to try to catch another quick short position here. But got about 10 seconds left on this 2-minute chart, 2-minute candle, that is. And seems like uh, they're selling off as it moves up. As you can see these wicks. But at the same time, they bought it up on this candle there, previous candle. So we'll see if we move up into this current resistance zone. I mean, it's going to stay that way. Let's see if we get a downdraft. When we hit it, what we're looking at is this little low pivot here, little consolidation pivot on the other side, but not as much. This is a strong support right through here, and then we had lift off. So we could be, hitting a little bit of resistance as we come into that support, if that makes sense. So anyway, let me put you on pause and then we'll pick it up with the price action picks up. This will be the game plan. We'll go short. If we get another push to the upside into that red dash line zone, we'll take a short. Or if we take out this green candle here, we'll go short. So that'll be the two ways of playing it. And really, we closed up here, obviously, the green 2-minute candle. We came all the way down. So really, this is all one big red candle that price action has to come up and through, to make any headway. Then we kind of, I don't know, kind of eyeball it here in the thirds and see if we can't. If it stays, in this section here, well, then we have it's higher probability if it stays in the lower third, shallow pullback, continue. Once you get into this zone, it's kind of 50-50, that you can come, oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. See if I can't hit that. And if we continue, then we'll definitely will double, triple, quadruple down up here at the 20. And if we get past this green candle there, might as well. Let me see, I'll pop a line here. If we're able to come down that blue dash line, we'll take profit, or if we roll back up through here, we'll get out real quick, kind of quick stop loss. Because we did a pretty good consolidation here, popped up. And this is not really a strong, we only have like one factor here at this red dash line, so it may or may not hold. Uh, price action, we could pop right through it, but if so, we'll get out real quick and then definitely double down up here at the 20. There we go. So let me get out of here, and we'll wait for it to come up. If that's the plan, come up into that 20. Yeah, there you go. So we got stopped out, but we know where the next play is. And I should have just, when it was red here, we had a couple of, $2 or $3 on the plate. Should have just taken it, but I was hoping for a little bit more drawback. Basically, something like this. That M formation, that, didn't happen. All right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put you on pause because price will catch up with the 20. Okay, either we'll go sideways and or up for the 20 to come down, or the price will come up into it. And then let me take that off. Then also, well, we're on a 3 count, so we're expecting a possibility of a red pause candle right now. And then also you had this low pivot over here is to help with resistance. Should we get it there? Hopefully this will be just a shallow pause candle, meaning will continue after this candle. And we might even, turn green here on that candle, but wouldn't bother me either way because we're looking for this zone up here to hit, and that should be a real nice, spot to get in here. Oh, come on, come on. These are already getting a little bit scared to go up there. So, oh, come on. Well, I mean, shoulda, woulda, coulda. Uh, Taken a little position here. Then if it had gone up more, taken a little bit more. Because really, to be honest with you, none of this is like precise to the penny. It's almost like the ropes of a boxing ring that they can lean against. And they kind of move. So it's more of a range than a. Oh, okay. Now if we close like this and we take out that bottom wick, that reversal doji, then we'll as it rolls over. So you got to be thinking, a couple of steps ahead. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna take one there. And if we surge through, yeah, that's fine. We'll take another. Should we get like right into that zone? I like to see it really just kind of zoom up and past it. Take another there. Okay, we're on a time count plus the 20 plus this low pivot. So we have a few things on our side, a few factors. And what we're expecting or looking for is a red candle pull back into this zone here, up, where it goes down. Depending on, if it does it shallow or bigger. Okay. If it closes red with that big sell off wick, that's even more momentum, confidence in our trade that will continue to the downside. Yeah, like that. If it closes like that, or of course lower, the better. Still got 47 seconds to go. That'll see how it ran up here. Really probably pulled a lot of longs in there. If they don't know the charts and the techniques, thinking it was going to keep running up to the 200, which is that purple line. And also this is gap fill when we get up here. In other words, this whole area was open, and I mean, it should get another resistance area here. Uh, Later in the day, whatever, when it comes up into that zone. And let's see, we get one more flush to the downside. I know y'all are tired of watching this, but just wanted to show real quick, knowing these areas and uh, what the potential is on these charts when things start moving, where to get in, where to get out, stop loss, just fundamental stuff. And also, you want to be trading a high percentage of the time, you want to be trading the direction of the 20. And as you can see, the 20's been, well, started right about here, started moving to the downside. But we'll see if that continues. And so that's another little trick as well. So we were expecting a little bit more push. I was expecting it already to be a lot lower by now. So Bulls are doing a good job holding Apple up right now. And see if we can't get a quick rotation to the downside here. Let me put you on pause. We'll pick it up when the price action picks up. All right, we're back and we're moving in the direction that we want to here. Tell you what, 420. If it is 420 again, we'll be at. Oh man, should have got out. That was 540. Let's go ahead and get out 600. The last one was 600. If you saw that, you can pause the video and look at it. All right, just by knowing, okay, low pivot, the 20, we were coming up pretty extended, moving to the upside here. So we were also ready for a little another, consolidation pullback. Okay. So we had a couple of factors on our side, and then they drove it up, brought a lot of people, in there thinking it was going to keep going. A lot of the bulls that were seeing this zone here, which was actually we're on a time count there. So we were due for actually a red candle, not only red, but a reversal candle there. So, but this you can use on the daily chart, weekly chart. This is a 2 minute chart. So everything we teach, everything we do, you can use on any timeline with any asset, gold, silver, oil, crypto, Bitcoin, Apple, whatever. All right. Appreciate your time. Appreciate you watching. And we will see you on the charts.